You read the email again. You're being let go. Once you had a role, a place and a purpose. Now empty mornings and too much time to think. People tell you you'll be fine, but inside you're not so sure. Still, there's a small voice that says, this isn't the end. If you can hear it, even faintly, you're already finding your way back. Back to what, you may ask? Well, back to society, back to reality, back to having a place in the world. Why would you want that? Well, you want it because you like to be a member of society. You want to be supported by all these people around you. Who wouldn't want that? Maybe some of us. We don't have to have a place in society to belong. As long as we know that we are okay within ourselves and we're not reliant on other people's opinion and other people's put-downs and other people's pity and all the other stuff that goes with it. And we are quite happy sitting at home on our own, doing our thing, or going out, doing our thing, then we're fine. Many people are actually introverts and they don't need other people. A little bit, yes, but some people see through all the bullshit. And when you see through all the lies, the deceit, and you don't want it, then you find something inside yourself, a small inner voice that says, I'm enough. Often, a time like losing a job, being made redundant, anything like that, can give you the time to reflect and to consider that do you really need all those people making demands on you, asking you to do different things? And perhaps when you realise this, you'll try something else instead. Anyway, it's up to you. But if you find yourself redundant, out of work, and you feel as if you're hopeless and useless, think again. Your value doesn't matter to other people. In fact, they love to see you down. They've got Schadenfreude. They love it when you're not doing so well because it means compared to them, you are doing worse. So they feel better. So the only person to take care of and to look after is yourself. And feeling good about yourself. I've got a little exercise that I give for all sorts of things. It's a die exercise, so you throw the dice and you do whatever is inscribed to the number that comes up. So say 1s go for a walk, 2s go for a shower, 3s go shopping, 4s go bowling, 5s go, I don't know, skinny dipping, 6 is go and sit down for the day. Throw a die, see where life leads you today. And something will come up, and if you need work, then maybe it'll be work that comes up. Maybe your die should be something like write an email to somebody about a job, or go door knocking, or just throw the die. It doesn't matter. Nothing is that important.